guess what? We're doing chrome delete. This is very beautiful. Look at the quality. It's glossy. It's really nice. It's better than doing plastic tip that I have, so I gotta upgrade that. And we're gonna go ahead and do a chrome delete in the front. That's how it looks right now, the chrome. And we're also gonna go ahead and do tint the headlights in the front and in the back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a roof spoiler right here. See how it looks after. This is how it looks right now. Alright, stay tuned, guys. So what I did was clean it with rubbing alcohol, and I heat it up as well. Hair dryer or a heat gun would do it. And I also heat up this piece. So let's see how it goes on. Alright. I'm just gonna give it a quick heat again. Perfect. Just hold it tight. Alright, that's how the middle piece looks. See that? Then we'll do the other sides as well. Check this out, guys. It's done. It looks aggressive and mean already. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the headlights. Alright, so we got this on eBay, the Crux Motorsports, and you guys already know the material is really good. It's like bubble free, so it's gonna be easy to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one, and then my friend's gonna help me out. I'm gonna put his IG in the description below, so you guys can follow him and ask him questions on his cars, the 2.0. And if you have any questions, just let him know where you got it. He'll hook you up. Alright, so now we got on this side, it's tinted, and on this side, we don't. That is aggressive. Alright, that side's done too. Check this out. Oh yeah, that's a beast right there. Just that front plate gotta go. That's it. That's good. Now we're gonna go ahead and move to the back side. Yeah, so the rear roof spoiler was broken, of course. The packaging was bad. So we're moving on to installing these, the louvers, and we installed one right there. It's pretty simple. Looks really good. See that? That looks really nice. It goes, you just put 3M tape that comes with it. You just put it right there on the sides, and then you would just flush it. It flushes right here. Show you guys really quick. It goes in right there. See? It flushes right into on the top of the mirror, so it's good. And again, Show you that side real quick again. Yeah, it looks really nice. Nice. Hey guys, look at this. Front's done. With the hood open, but yeah, it looks really aggressive. I love that. Then the rear is done too. That's done too. Then we're waiting on this piece that came in broken, so it's gonna be returned. And the vinyl is done too. Got nice, beautiful red caps here, and the calipers are painted. Look at this. That is nice. All right, so I guess the next video I'm gonna show you guys installing V4s. All right, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.